الله أكبر الله أكبر.
So, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, brother Mohamed Lonnie, 13 months in Islam, and let's go back when you converted to Islam. What happened at that time? What made you convert and embrace Islam?
Well, like I said before, after I met my adopted daughter and I saw how happy she was teaching me all about Islam, trying to teach me how to read the Quran. And then I went online and got an online course in the Quran, and I'm still taking that course online. I'm about to get my 3rd degree in it. I just enjoy being a Muslim. I'm so happy.
The first action you got when you decided to be a Muslim, what is the first action?
Well, I had this site that they would post, and I kept posting almost every day for a ride to the mosque. Every single day. I would call, not get no answer. Mm-hmm. Then finally, one of the brothers from another country saw that ad, made a special trip to America, to Newport Richey, Florida, and contacted me and brought me to the mosque where I took my Shahada. So this brother came from another country, Egypt, and drove me to the mosque where I took my Shahada on December 8th, 7:30, 2018.
Mm-hmm. So, and you started practicing Islam.
Yes.
And I believe that you attended one Ramadan with us.
Yes.
2019.
Yes.
So, what do you think about Ramadan? What do you think about the gathering? People will come. The masjid is so crowded.
Well, somebody told me, Brother Ishmael told me, oh, you're going to enjoy it. You'll love it. No, I did not. Uh-huh. I didn't like going every night and eating that food. But since then, I've come to know that that's not the purpose of going there to eat food. It's there for fellowship.
Yes.
We're there to enjoy each other's company, enjoy the lecture, and just, but
just to gather and
worship Allah. That's it.
This is the main purpose.
That's the only purpose.
That's
the only. Ain't the main purpose. That's the only purpose is to worship Allah, our Creator. He created us. We have to answer to Him on Judgment Day.
You see many people converting to Islam. So what happened in your life? You told us before that you made many mistakes before converting to Islam.
I wasn't a good person. I was more of a troublemaker. But since converting to Islam, I don't have that feeling to hurt people or rob people. I'm here to love one another, love my neighbors, love my fellow brothers and sisters.
What is your story with your mom? Because I know it's something interesting and it's something special for you.
I can remember as far back as when my mom was ill. She wasn't able to do things around her home. So I came over almost every weekend. I took care of her. I took care of her home, take her places, buy her food. And when it came for the funeral, I lost it. Mm-hmm. I love my mother. My father was never there when I was growing up. My mother was always there for me.
Do you think that Allah wanted to reward you for doing good to your mom?
Yes. And He will.
You think that?
Yes, I know that.
He finally rewarded you.
That's a fact.
Okay, what is the message that you want to say to Ren?
The Ren?
The most beloved person to you.
She is the most beloved. Ren, you need to have patience. Don't hate nobody in your family. Love them. Even though they've done you wrong in the past, love them. They're there for you. I know your dad's not well, and I'm just your adopted father, but I'm here for you.
What do you find in Islam when you came to us in the mosque? What do you find?
Love, peace, friendship. I mean, there's more love here, and they treat me better here than they did in Christianity. Everybody's here to help everybody. We're all here for one another.
So you spent more than 1 year in our mosque as one of our community members.
I've been a Muslim for 13 months now.
Okay, 13 months, and
Yes.
you are living amongst the Muslim community.
Yes.
One of us Tell me, did you find any kind of discrimination, hatred, or
No, because I attended the prayers, and there's no hatred in this Muslim community. There's no threats or violence for anybody. We're not here to hurt nobody. We're here to love and respect you.
okay, that is so interesting. Any message you want to say to anyone that to know
Come
about
and see us in person. Listen to our lectures. Meet the brothers and sisters. Learn about us and what we're really here for. You'll find out that the Americans were taught a lie about the 9/11 attack. We're not here to hurt you. We're here to help you in any way we can. We're here 24 hours a day to spread love and peace, friendship, hope. We're not here for any other reason but that. We're here to spread the word of Allah.
What is your message to the Muslims in the Middle East, the Muslims, brothers and sisters? What do you need to say to them to go and to worship and to practice their religion?
They need to go worship Allah, practice, read the Quran every day, pray 5 times a day. That's another main thing. Don't let the shaitan take over you. He doesn't control you. Allah controls you. The shaitan will try to distract you from the Islam, but don't let that happen. Put your faith and trust in Allah.
Thank you, brother. And finally, Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
الله